Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making this moist fish pie. Fish pie we are going to be frying, we are not going to be baking. So let's go through everything we are going to use for our moist fish pie. So I have my flour here, I have my seasoned mackerel fish, melted butter, blended onions, salt, fish spice, Maggi, oil, onions, green spring onions, ginger, and of course my pepper. If you cannot tolerate pepper, then don't use as much pepper as I'm using. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'll be adding my flour in the bowl and we'll get started. So I'm going to be using 3 cups of flour. So if you are making more, that means you have to add more to it. I already sieved the flour, so I just go take 3 cups of flour and then mix. So guys, this is my 3 cups of flour here. So I'll add in some salt and I'll add in my melted butter. You can use vegetable oil if you wish to use it. Then for a good crust, I'm going to be adding some blended onions. So you mix everything together until they are well combined. You can see what we have here now. So I'll now gradually start adding my water to make a good dough. Just make a well at the middle and then start adding your water and then start mixing very well. Don't rush to add water so that you don't make it to be too soft. Just be adding the water gradually. We are not use more than 100 ml of water for this, but it depends on the quantity you are making. You now know the quantity of water that you are going to use. You just keep adding the water and keep forming until it stops sticking to your hands. So guys, you can see that a dough is being formed now. Then you have to knead very well. At this point, you can put it on your work surface and knead very well, but I'm just kneading mine inside the bowl. So see the dough that formed. So I'll now allow it to rest. It's going to rest in here for like 5 minutes while I go and prepare the fillings. You can use your kitchen towel or your clean thing to cover it. So guys, this is the fish I'm using. It's mackerel fish. You can use any fish of your choice. I steamed it with salt, onion seasoning, and some cubes. So now I'm going to debone it and mash it very well to take out all the bones. But you can use any fish of your choice. You can use sardine, you can use salmon fish, anyone. But just know that it is fish that you're using. So you have to debone very well in case you have kids around you. Though even adults can be choked, so you have to remove the bones very, very well. I'm done taking out the bones, so you can see I'm mashing now with my fork, or if you have a masher, you can use the masher to mash very, very well. So guys, for the filling, the pan is on the fire. I'll just add some little vegetable oil, just little. I like to be hot a bit, and I'll pour in the onions. You have to use chopped onions and not those long ones. So I like to just fry. Let it release all the fragrance into the oil. So the onions is fried now. I'm adding my pepper. Like I always say, use the pepper that you can tolerate. Now I'll add in the bouillon cube, and I'll add in my fish spice. Then I have some ginger here, just little ginger. And I'll add some salt. So I'll add in some spring onions. You can add more. All these are just for coloring. So now I'm going to be adding our mashed fish, and you keep on stirring. You stir very, very well until everything combines or marries very, very well. Filling is, so just like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and thank you very much if you have been following me. So you can see that it's a bit dry, so I'll take part of that our fish stock and add little, so the fish pie isn't that too dry when you want to eat it. Let me test for salt. Okay, the salt is okay. Just keep stirring. So you see the filling is a bit wet now. If not, you have a dry filling, and I don't want that. So it's okay now. I'll turn off the heat and let's start rolling. So guys, this is our rested dough. See how soft it is. I clean my work surface very, very well. So I'll just roll out now. I'm using this my pot cover because it gives me an equal shape. If you have a meat pie cutter, you can also use your meat pie cutter to cut. So I'll just roll everything out now and then fill. Your rolling shouldn't be too thick. So I'm done rolling now. I just dip the cover of the pan into the flour so it can come out when I'm done cutting. So like this, you cut like this, then go this way again, then like this. Look for how it's going to cut it very well. Look, I have to roll here out a bit. Okay, that's not entered very well. You cut. Then you cut. Then you take out the excess, keep it because you are going to cut it again. So this is what we have now. Add in your filling, add it to one side. Back then, we used to borrow money or steal our parents' money to buy this fish roll after school hours. So you now use your flour solution to round it like this so it covers very well. Because if you don't do that, when it enters into the hot oil, I'm done filling it. So you now flip it over and then now use your hand to pinch it. Pinch it very, very well so it doesn't open in the oil. Then you now get your fork and lock it very, very well. Dip the fork in the flour so it doesn't stick. Then you fry in deep oil. So I'm done with this. This is what I'm going to be doing until I'm done. So we're about to fry it now. The oil is hot. You can see I just dropped a small dough in the hot oil. So you just add like this, and you know it is cooked when it is golden brown. Be careful so you don't put your hand in the oil. Wow, they look so good in the oil. So guys, you can see our fish roll. You can see how fine it has come out. Oh, I love this. The aroma in my kitchen is something else. So I'll just bring them out now and then fry the other batch. You get your paper, your kitchen towel close by, so you can put them in to take the excess oil. My people, I'm so happy, eh? So guys, let me just cut one open for you to see. You can see how moist it is inside. Fried moist fish roll. Guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.